Hello and welcome to the channel. So I heard about this team of professional traders that created a service that executes trading on our behalf. The system has no latency. It has a really good risk management. But here's the thing. Your capital stay inside your own Binance account. That's what really caught my attention. I went to do my research. I decided to test it for a couple of days. And today I want to show you exactly how it works. And if you decide to stay until the end of this video, I also show you how to access the first month without paying the subscription fee. These days, the market is super volatile. Bots are blowing accounts, liquidations up and down, grid systems getting stuck. Martingale strategies during these times are super dangerous. With this type of market, we need structure. And this option I'm showing you today has a different structure. It goes by the name of 33Circle. It works through an API connection. That means trading permissions only, no withdrawal access. They have futures trading and spot trading. When I was doing my research, I found results from different accounts. I checked the backtesting data from other users and everything looks great. But I wanted real execution, not only screenshots. That's why I activate my account, and so far I see a couple of live trades. I've been here only for 2 days. I know it's too early to give an evaluation, but at least I can confirm that this is real trading. Very important. This is not a martingale system. It's not a grid recovery bot. According to their model, trades are executed manually by a team. They are focusing on control exposure and following the market in the right direction. Now, here is another important point. Most platforms require to send our funds to their systems. That's normal in many models, especially if those systems are focusing on capital management. But this particular option is different. We don't need to do that. What we are doing here is paying for a service. There is a one-time activation fee. There is also a monthly subscription. And on top of that, we need to pay a 20% performance fee on profitable trades. Now, to be clear, keeping funds inside your Binance account removes custody risk, but it doesn't remove the trading risk. Losses are still possible. It means this is capital control, but not capital protection. When I was checking the results from other accounts, I can see a couple of losses here and there, but the win rate is quite high. They got started in January, and during the first month, the returns were in around 20%. February is also going between those numbers. Remember, it all depends on the market, the trading frequency, your capital, but I see a lot of potential. That's why I want to bring it to the channel. There is also another interesting element, and that is the referral system. You don't have to use it if you don't want, but if you enjoy the process of building networks and you like to do that with solid opportunities that can bring longevity and profitability, then right here, you can find a compensation plan that is going to work really well for you. And you don't even need to activate the bot in order to use the referral program. I would say 33Circle is the type of system for people that understand what is an API connection, people that prefer to have more control of their capital. And this is not for you if you are looking for fixed returns or guarantees, because in this space, nothing is guaranteed. Personally, I like the transparency of seeing everything inside my account, but this is new. They got started only in January. A new system always needs time to prove consistency. Another plus is that these guys are not focusing on marketing. Looks like they want to grow organically. For all of these reasons, I want to try it, I'm testing it, and I want to keep you updated. If after watching this breakdown, you think this fits your strategy, maybe you can take advantage of that first month for free, but that is only for a limited time. You're only going to have a couple of days to activate your account in order to get that first month for free. I will explain how to do that in a second. But anyways, if you cannot get that first month for free, don't worry. This is an option that you can start at any time. Whenever you are ready, this option is going to be here for us. But if not, that's fine. The goal here is simple. Test it, observe how it works, and decide with information. So now let's get started. We are here in the main website, 33Circle, fully automated trading system managed by pro traders. built for everyone. And this connection is going to be through Binance. That's the only exchange platform they have at the moment. I heard in the next couple of months they are going to introduce a couple of other exchanges. And well, once I get that information, I will share it. Here we can learn more about the expert-led trading, the automated system. Here they talk about the connection with the API key. No withdrawals are possible without your authorization. We have real reports and analytics inside the members area. Here in the webpage, if you go to the bottom, you will find some links to Instagram, X, the Telegram groups, the Telegram news channel. They have blogs. So here you can learn more about all of this. Also inside the members area, they have some PDFs. There's the business presentation and affiliate presentation. And here we will have more details about how the system works. Key points from this option: all trades are executed manually by professional traders on your behalf. Fund control: your funds remain 100% under your control in your personal exchange account. Let expert trading runs automatically around the clock. You don't need to lift a finger. Trade commission: you pay only when you profit. We charge 20% of the profits, and 50% of that amount goes back to the community as bonuses. That's how they can keep this system alive, because remember, they don't have access to our capital. So now let's talk about the cost, the subscription, and the monthly fee. The monthly fee is $19 per month. You have the option to pay 6 months or a year, but still the price here is $19 per month. But on top of this, there is a one-time fee. Let me show you. When you are in the back office, this is how it looks like. You need to go where it says account. That's where we are going to subscribe. Once you click in this button, it will give you the 3 options. So you can pay 1 month, 6 months, or 1 year. But here it says one-time affiliate fee. This one-time affiliate fee is applicable for first-time subscribers only. The cost is 33 USDT, just like the name of this option, 33. So in this case, in the first month, you pay 52 USDT, but the following months, you only pay 19 USDT. If you decide to get the 6 months package, then you pay 447. It's just the same amount here, plus the 33. For 1 year, the same. It's only one time, and that's how it works. You can deposit using USDT BIP20, and once you complete the transaction, you will see a message like this: already subscribed. It says you have full access to all features. And this is how you can get your first month for free. I got started 2 days ago, but my next payment is going to be in almost 2 months from now. The reason why is because we have this grace period. I also found that information here in blogs. And when I was checking this one in particular, they say your March subscription is on us. That's right. Enjoy a free 1-month subscription for March. No strings attached. It's our way of saying thank you for being an early believer in our vision. So I think you have a couple of days left to activate your subscription and get this extra month. And now remember, we mentioned this 20% charge on profits. Well, we also need to deposit right here some extra USDT. That way, every time they are trading and the system produces profits, they can deduct from that balance those 20%. After you activate, automatically you will see something like this or something like this. You just click in top up. It will send you directly to the wallet of the system where you can deposit. Well, it depends also of your capital inside Binance. You can put a couple of bucks here just to see how much you're going to be spending in fees. But the idea is to always have some balance here. That's how they're going to deduct those 20% from profits. We click in deposit, type the amount, and the system will give you an address. And that's all we need to do. That's how the system is going to charge. That is from the passive side, from the trading side. But as I mentioned, they also have a referral program that will give you the chance to generate some extra profits, and you don't even need to activate your bot. The quick start bonus coming from the first time subscription, Circle residual bonuses distributed every single month to all your team, network bonus pool, Circle trading bonus, top producer bonus. There are so many layers inside this referral program that for sure, if you like to build teams, you will find all of this very beneficial. In another video, I can show you in detail how all of that works. Today, I just want to give you a quick overview about how the system works, the results that they are having with the system. If I show you here inside my Binance account, we can see some of the trades already closed. And if we go inside the members area, this is how it looks like. We have a dashboard where we can see the stats of our account, earning overview from the trading side, affiliate side, jackpot earnings. I don't even know how this one works yet, but we will explain that in another video. Your rank inside the system, active trades. This system is working with spot and futures. And right here below, we can see the trades already closed, the blocks. We have a futures tab, how many trades, open positions, closed positions. So far, I only have these ones because I just got started and, well, all of them in profit. In my earnings, here you can check your stats from the trading side, the circle trade or the affiliate earnings. All right. Your win ratio right below. You have a daily calendar. It's super organized with all the information that we need. Here in wallet, it's where we need to keep our balance with some USDT. This is where they are going to deduct those 20%, as I told you already. Okay. Affiliate wallet. Oh, here, this is the Circle Trade wallet. No, it's not this one. I think it's here in my Circle. No, not this one. This one, bonus. This is where the monthly bonus is going to be collected. We can see the top producers, top wealth builders, and all the different ranks, your bonuses, full distribution. And right here in Affiliate Toolkit, you can find the business presentation, a quick business presentation, advanced member playbook, logos, scripts, and all the tools you need to start your promotions. All right. Well, guys, this is all that I want to show you today. A quick introduction about 33Circle, a new system that we are adding to our list of passive income opportunities. If you want to see how I activated my account, how I integrated my Binance account with this system, well, I have a full video where I explain how to generate the IP keys. And if you need some help with that, I'm going to leave the link to that video in the description. And as usual, if you have any questions for me, you can find me on Telegram. All right, guys, thank you so much for your company. I hope you found some value here. If that's so, I will appreciate your likes, your comments. If you want to follow my journey with 33Circle, I want to invite you to subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications. Happy compoundings, and I'll see you in the next one. My name is Will, the crypto leader. Bye.